My windows broke, officer.
I got you, man. So the reason why I pulled you over, I'm Deputy Boyd, Flagler County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I pulled you over is your headlights out on that front side.
Yes, sir, I know. I'm on the way home. But I'm going to let you know I don't have a driver's license.
All right. And what about you, man? What's your name and date of birth?
James. David.
What's your middle initial?
R.
21065-2 by name and date of birth. One out of North Carolina and one out of Virginia for 2729. First is out of North Carolina. First name is Tyler. Hey! 312. One of them just jumped out of the car and took off running. Down squirrel. So what's his name?
Taylor.
Taylor West?
Yes, sir. I told him not to.
Why did he run off?
Because he has warrants or something. Passenger side, right?
Yep, passenger side.
Sheriff's Office K-9, surrender now or you will get bit! Sheriff's Office K-9, surrender now or you will get bit!
He's heading south through the woods, moving. .312. Is there a road directly south of us anywhere? We're going out. Going out? Yeah.
Same in right here, bro. Awesome.
Sheriff's Office K-9, come out of the woods now with your hands up. Announce yourself. You're under arrest. Or we will send the dog and he will bite you. Sheriff's Office K-9, come out of the woods now with your hands up. Announce yourself. You are under arrest. Or we will send the dog and he will bite you.
I'm done with this man back there when you walk by. You walk up this way.
What's that?
Said I owe a mistake. This second night this week.
What's in your pocket, bud? I see a big bulge over here.
Not fine, sorry, not fine.
Alright, no weapons on you? You injured at all? No
My
injuries?
legs are scratched up.
Your legs are scratched up? Alright.
Man, I busted my head.
What's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor. Bro.
You don't have any narcotics or anything like that on you. You know, if you introduce any contraband to the jail, it's a felony charge.
Sit up.
Suck your knee in.
Good?
Yeah.